everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve a 3-colour gel ombre. So first off, I have a plain white background which I've done one coat and cured for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to come in and I'm just applying the white at the cuticle area, a lighter blue in the middle, and then a darker blue at the edge, which would be your free edge. I'm not really taking much care of it because it's not going to stay like it. I also decided I did want to put a little bit more blue in the middle, so that's just what I'm doing here. So next, what I've got is a pinching tool with a little bit of a sponge, like a wedged makeup sponge, and I'm starting in the middle and I'm just tapping and dabbing from one side to the other, and as I'm doing that I'm kind of pulling it down the nail a little bit, just so that this is when your colours start to blend together. Take your time, there's no rush. Once you're happy with how it kind of looks so far, I'm then going to come and onto the wet layer I'm going to just dust a coat of clear acrylic over the top and cure for 60 seconds. Once that's done, dust off the excess. Now what you want to do is you want to apply your gel colours straight onto the sponge, not onto the nail. So as you can see, I'm just applying Plain Jane, Doly Daydream and Jazzy Jo just on top of where the colours are on that sponge. So once I'm happy that I've applied enough product, I'm then going to come in onto the nail. Again, I'm just starting in the middle and tapping either side of the nails just with quite a gentle pressure, and then as I'm kind of going from left to right or right to left, I'm slowly pulling down the sponge so that it starts overlapping the colours, so that you haven't got that really harsh line. Once I'm happy with that, I'm then going to cure and I'm going to do another layer. Again, as you can see, I'm just applying the gel colour straight onto the sponge, and then we will go in with the sponge onto the nail. Again, coming in, starting at the centre of the nail and slowly tapping from one side to the other, and then slightly bringing the sponge down a little bit just to overlap them colours and get that really nice blend between the three of them. So once you're happy with this layer, you're then going to pop it in for a 60-second cure. So a little tip here is I use a little lint, like a little sticky pad, and I just press my sponge onto it just to take off any fluff that might get stuck in between and get stuck on your design. So the same process as before, just coming in, applying the colours to the sponge and then going in onto the nail. Exactly the same process. Because the gel applies so thinly, you can add a couple of layers just until you are happy with how that blend looks. Again, don't forget to cure between each layer for 60 seconds before then coming in with another layer. So once you've done your final coat, we are going to apply a thin layer of Give Me Strength. This is going to help level out the nail and just make that blend look a little bit more softer. And once you're happy, cure that for 60 seconds. When that comes out of the lamp, you then want to apply a tack-free top coat. So I'm using Magpie's Don't Be Tacky, and I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Now I'm taking Magpie's Juniper Chrome, and I'm just rubbing that into the nail with my chroming tool. Once I'm happy with how that looks, I'm going to apply a layer of Give Me Strength and cure it for 60 seconds. Once that comes out of the lamp, I'm then going to remove the tacky layer using Prep and Dehydrate. Now I'm going to take my striper brush and my white gel paint, and I'm just going to show you how I load my brush. So as I'm pulling the brush through the paint, I'm slightly rolling it so that I don't get a lot of product build up on the brush, and that it should flow nicely once you then begin to do the nail art. I just thought that I would keep it a little bit simple today, and just maybe show you how I do my stars. So I am going to add 3 little stars, and I'm going to fill them in. I'm going to cure them for 60 seconds, and then we are going to use another chrome powder. And yeah, that is how I do my 3 gel colour ombre. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I can record some more videos like this for you if it's a hit. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thanks to everybody that subscribes and takes the time out to watch my videos. I hope you're all keeping safe and well, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. See you again soon. Bye.